Congressman Dan Kildee announcing new bipartisan legislation to provide tax relief to car dealerships struggling to maintain inventory.
For months, the global semiconductor shortage has battered the auto industry. With fewer vehicles being produced, auto dealers have struggled to maintain their inventory, triggering large, unexpected tax liabilities for many.
TV5's James Felton spoke with the congressman to learn more about how this relief will help.
Part of the tax law that really hits car dealers hard if they can't resupply their inventory after they sell vehicles. Say they sell 500 vehicles in a year. If they can't replace those vehicles with new inventory, they have a real problem.
Because of the way a car dealership's net earnings are calculated. Congressman Dan Kildee tells us supply chain issues have skewed their numbers.
So it looked like they had a huge net profit from the sale of vehicles, but no cost to replace those vehicles.
It's called LIFO accounting, last in, first out, which allows dealerships to only be taxed on the difference between the proceeds from the sales of vehicles and the cost to replace them.
And because they are not able to replenish the vehicles, suddenly they're getting this huge tax hit.
That's why Kildee introduced the Supply Chain Disruptions Relief Act, a bipartisan bill aimed at providing tax relief to car dealerships struggling to maintain inventory because of the global semiconductor shortage.
This fix would be a short-term fix. It's not a permanent fix. It would simply allow for vehicles that are sold in 2020 and 2021 for those dealerships to have until 2025 to replenish their inventory and not take a great big tax hit as a result of the supply chain issues.
The bill is supported by the National Automobile Dealers Association along with a number of local car dealerships here in mid-Michigan. Kildee is hoping that Congress acts quickly and turns this proposed legislation into a law that benefits car dealerships.
They're a strong part of our community. They're the ones that donate to our Little League and help the community in many ways. We don't want to hit them when they're already down.
James Felton, WNEM, TV5.
This legislation comes months after Representative Kildee led a bipartisan letter with more than 90 other members of Congress urging the Treasury to grant this relief. However, the department responded that it did not have the authority to grant this relief under the current circumstances.